While the current trend is all about going vegan, the idea of eating meat thanks to the horror stories about red meat is rapidly diminishing. Most people consider vegetables and fruits to suffice when it comes their daily nutritional needs, while also thinking that plant protein is better and safer than animal protein. As this is not true, here is a list of the health benefits of eating meat that all contribute to carrying out vital metabolic functions but also giving one a lot of energy as well. 1. Beef provides a large source of L-carnitine. L-carnitine is an amino acid that occurs naturally in meat products. Among other functions, L-carnitine plays a part in fat metabolism. As part of this, L-carnitine does the job of transporting fats into our mitochondria for burning. The body synthesizes L-carnitine within the liver, and the process relies on the amino acids L-lysine and L-methionine. As a result, deficiencies are rare. However, research suggests that a higher dietary intake of L-carnitine may have some positive health impacts. Various studies show the following findings. Diabetes. A systematic review shows that higher L-carnitine intake in type 2 diabetes patients improves fasting glucose levels and the overall cholesterol profile. 5. Weight loss. According to a systematic review and meta-analysis of 9 randomized controlled trials, subjects using L-carnitine supplementation lost significantly more weight than the control group. It's worth noting that while there are many L-carnitine supplements around, the absorption rate is poor in comparison to beef. 2. Beef provides the master antioxidant, glutathione. Commonly known as the master antioxidant, glutathione has a score of research linking it to anti-aging benefits, increasing longevity, preventing illness, reducing the risk of chronic disease, strengthening the immune system. It helps protect every cell in our body from cellular damage, which can lead to many chronic diseases. On the other hand, a deficiency in glutathione contributes to oxidative stress and inflammation. As a result, keeping glutathione levels high is important for our overall health. 3. Beef is high in protein and helps improve muscle mass. There are numerous reasons why we should strive to ensure a sufficient protein intake, and these include: protein is the building block our body uses to repair and make bone, skin, and cartilage. Sufficient protein helps us to build and maintain lean muscle mass. Out of all macronutrients, protein is the most satiating, and it discourages food cravings. Beef is packed with health-promoting amino acids, and it's one of the single biggest sources of protein in the human diet. For instance, a 6 ounces 170 grams portion of 80% lean beef provides 46 grams protein. Should we opt for a leaner variety of beef, the protein content can be even higher. As we age, building lean mass should be a priority. Speaking bluntly, the more skeletal muscle mass someone loses as they age, the higher their risk of an earlier death. Considering this, we should ensure we're eating a sufficient amount of protein. This is especially essential for elderly people. 4. Beef is extremely rich in minerals. If you're looking to increase your intake of various minerals, then beef is one of the best options to consider. First of all, beef is relatively nutrient-dense in minerals. In an 80% of lean beef, you can find higher amounts of zinc, selenium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and iron. Beef provides more than half of the day's recommended amount of selenium and zinc. Many people have deficiency issues with some of these minerals. So, the nutritional value of beef can help fight prevalent global deficiencies in iron, magnesium, and zinc. 5. Eating beef helps prevent iron deficiency anemia. We touched on mineral deficiencies in the last point, but iron deficiency anemia deserves a mention of its own. Sadly, iron deficiency anemia is a growing epidemic around the world. In a developed country such as the United States, nutrient deficiencies shouldn't be a cause of death, yet anemia kills thousands every year. To be exact, the latest release of statistics showed that anemia hospitalized 146,000 Americans in 1 year. 5,219 of these people died. Globally, it's even worse, and according to the World Health Organization, 1.62 billion people suffer from iron deficiency anemia. There are 2 types of iron available in food, and we refer to them as heme and non-heme iron. Heme iron is the most bioavailable form of iron, and meat and other animal foods exclusively contain it. Non-heme iron is found in plant foods such as fruit, vegetables, and nuts. In comparison to heme iron, our body finds it more difficult to absorb. One of the best health benefits of beef meat is that it contains a substantial amount of heme iron. The best source of all. Beef liver. Interestingly, anemia disproportionately affects females. Perhaps this isn't a huge surprise when we think about how society seems to shame women who eat meat. Beef contains dozens of health-promoting nutrients that we need in our diet. Sure, there are other foods which offer some of the same positives, but not in the same amount. Overall, it is one of the most nutrient-dense foods in the human diet. Bottom line, there are many health benefits of eating beef. Find in the descriptions 2 diet plans that can help you eating the right daily beef portions, in order to take advantage of this powerful protein source.